In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use shape dividers in Wix to help you create a more visually interesting website layout. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Wix editor and find the section or strip that you want to enhance with a shape divider. You might choose a background image for your homepage, an informational section, or even a call to action strip. Once you've decided on the right place, simply click on the shape dividers icon located in your editor's toolbar. Making a choice between whether you would like to place your shape divider at the top or the bottom of your selected section or strip is your next task. Think about the overall aesthetic of your website and what placements might complement your layout. A panel filled with a variety of pleasing divider designs will now present itself for you to browse. For even more variety, you can click on the Plus More Shapes button, which will allow you to discover a larger assortment of shapes, or even give you the option to upload a file if you have a custom design in mind. Now that you've selected your design, it's time to gear up and make it perfectly suit your website. Clicking on the Customize Design button within the Dividers panel should be your next move. Within this section, you'll find several settings to adjust that can truly make your shape divider your own. You can alter the opacity and color of your divider, making it more or less visible and having complete control over its hue. To change its position on your page, adjust the height to raise or lower it, while the horizontal offset option will move it to the left or right. The Layer Effect feature allows you to add some interesting texture to your shape by adding a fade effect. You can choose to center it, fade it to the top, or fade it to the bottom, depending on your layout. Flipping the shape upside down or reversing it horizontally is also possible thanks to the invert and flip settings. Finally, you can define how many times you wish to repeat the pattern with the number of repeats function. But we are not quite done yet. It's also important to consider how your shape divider will appear on mobile devices. Descend into the mobile editor by double-clicking your section, then look for the Shape Dividers icon. Click on it and proceed to adjust your settings suitable for optimal mobile viewing. Should you decide to not have a shape divider on your mobile website, simply click on None to remove it. And there you have it, a full guide on how to implement, customize, and manage shape dividers in Wix.